When linking a fire safety model into your architect model, you will see all the different symbols that the fire safety engineer have put in their model. If you hide categories such as security devices, signage, electrical equipment, mechanical equipment, you kind of will only see in the very end the wall, door, and window requirement. Here in front of us, we see the wall requirement, the wall compartmentation, and the door requirement. It's rarely the case that you want to see the door requirement in your floor plans. To turn these off, we can simply create a view filter which filter out everything except the wall requirements. If I go to the view template, view filter, create new filter, create new view filter, and call it only, we'll start with a 0 so it's in the stop, only wall requirements. In the middle one, I can go down to the category fire protection, where all the door, window, and wall requirements are located in the fire safety model with Naviate Bimfire. In the family name, if it does not contain wall, you want to hide it. Because all our wall compartmentation has the name wall in it, whether it's EI, REI, or just E, you will find the name in family name or the word wall in the family name. Once the filter is ready, you can add it to the view and select the 0. That's why it's just added here up here as 0 in the beginning. And it will appear here. And I will turn off everything except the wall compartmentation for fire protection. And now it looks better already.